Hi, in this video, I'm going to share how you can add your CMS items in particular page in Framer. Framer allow us to add our CMS item and we can have our CMS item like archive pages and details pages. Like in blog case, we can place our blog post as a archive and a details page. But if you want to add your CMS item in a particular page, like I just added items in here, my hero section, sorry, home pages, like you can see here, this is CMS items, and I just added some instruction and which items I want to place over here. So you can also add this kind of things in Framer with a few clicks. So I'm gonna add my CMS items here. So I'm just gonna add our CMS item to my canvas. So for that, on the left side, right on the left side panel, you can see insert items, and we have a lot of tabs. So in here, CMS item, you can see collection. The collection means how many items, so how many collection you have created in CMS items. You can see here, these are the collection, one for case studies, one for blog posts. So here I'm just gonna come over here my collection side, and we have items, and for now I'm just gonna drag my insight over my canvas. So here I have four items, and you see here the image is not big, and our featured image couldn't see properly. Also, the title has a poor layout or structure because this thin, and most of the people can't read our title line, and also featured images. There's a visibility issue, and I'm not happy with this design because Framer allow us to create, you can create customs design, and it's made for designers. So let's have a look. I'm not happy with this design, so I want to create my custom uh, card for display my blog post items. So I just created a simple card. Or the next here, you can see here I have a place image placeholder, and I have a title. So I want to integrate this blog item to this product card or card items. So I'm happy with this design, and I'm not happy with this layout. So for that, you know how to integrate this our card to our CMS item. So for that, I'm just gonna select my card. You can see here I didn't name it, just I'm gonna name my blog card just for demonstration, and I'm just gonna cut it and select my collection, and inside collection I'm gonna place it over here. So I want to select, or I want to connect this place image holder to my CMS items, that we call it variables. So I'm just gonna click select my image placeholder, and over the right side you can see here I don't have this variable connection field here because I'm already pasted inside CMS items, but it's not working. Why? Because you see here we have a CMS items, and inside we have a CMS items, because these are our information. We have image and a title. You can see here when I click it, it's focusing on, and you see here these are our items. So instead of placing over here, I'm just gonna place it under these items. So now you see here we have four items and four cards here. So now we can connect our CMS item with this placeholder, image placeholder, and a title. For that, I'm just gonna double click, and now I'm just selecting my placeholder. On the right side, you can see here the plus icon alongside the fill, and just click over here. Now you see here we can set variable because this item has variables. So I'm just gonna select variable, and you see here I have featured images. If I click it, all the image will appear here. Now see the magic. I have different uh, featured image for different blog posts. Now one click it reflect all our other CMS items. And also we have a title. Before that, I'm just gonna fill it. Yes, now I just select my title text, and on the content section you can also see I have a set. I can connect my this item with my variables. Now you see here we have a variable, and I'm gonna click my title. Now we have this uh, beautiful title, and as we expected, because I have a strong requirement that I need my title as a subtitle, or I can add whatever, so it reflect remaining. And now we don't need these items, so just select and click it only the field of like images and a title. Now we have created our CMS item with our custom layout. For so we can place it over here wherever you want, because these are my CMS item I just connected, and I have variables and I have variants. So if however I want to place most important items on the CMS item. So thanks for watching, and you can share your feedback through messages or through comments. So just let me know what you think, and thanks for watching. See you on the next lesson.